Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create Preply introductory video. Now, it's a very easy process. So you will be needing 4 things for the introductory video. So let me show you what those are. So firstly, you will be needing your introduction where you will be telling about yourself, your name, where you're from, what are your strong suits, what are you going to teach, and what type of subjects that you know. After doing the introduction, give some experience, like have you been a teacher in some other places, how many years of experience do you have, what are the subjects that is your most favorite, and what type of subjects and how exactly you're going to teach them, what type of students are you exactly looking for. So just simply give that information in the experience, and after that just simply explain how exactly what are the tricks and strategies that you're going to use for that particular subject. Let's say you are going to teach maths, so what exactly are you going to teach and what are the basic strategies that you're going to tell to the students. And in the end, just simply give a brief description why students should choose your class. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.